Hold on a second.
If you got the picture off, you can let them what the doggies are doing.
After my first grade year was over, but we won't worry about that. She pumps out all that.
Buster, what is it?
My mama.
Ellie Mae, don't bark at yourself.
My mama.
Ellie.
We should get a video of
Ellie Mae. Ellie. It's Ellie Mae, that's you. It's okay. Buster.
Hey, you want to record a little bit of this?
I am.
This will make it get short.
8 years old. And
Boys and girls, Ellie Mae don't like seeing herself. I don't know if it's the thing because she's 10 years old or.
to ride the short bus. Just
Ellie Mae.
Keep it short.
Ellie.